channel. So today I'm here to give you a final walkthrough of the Magic Forest album. So this is a Lapbook style album, and this is a project that I created for my Patreon using our digital collection for the month. So as you know, on my Patreon every month I create a new digital collection, and then I also create a project working with that collection as well. So this month it was super fun because I wanted to include some mixed media. As you can see here, we have this beautiful fairy door on the cover, and on the video class I go step by step of how I create that, and also I did some video shorts this time, kind of sharing a little bit of the process of making this book. If you join Patreon, you have access not only to the collection of the month but also to all my past digital collections as well. And if you're not into Patreon, I will be also having this as a video class by itself listed on my website, and I do have the collection listed on the website as well. So now let's take a look at the book. So the front cover here is a gatefold style album, and we created this store using some different mixed media techniques. I have some flowers that I had left over from other projects, so I just wanted to put them here. And then all of these little rocks I actually had on my stash, but they came from the dollar store. I picked that up some time ago, and I just had a little bag of rocks, and I thought that would be really cute to add here around the door. This collection is really magical. It has a lot of fairies and elves, and it's just like a secret magical forest, and I wanted to create the door of the magic forest here. So we're gonna go into it here in a second, but this book measures 8 by 8.5, and it has a 2-inch spine, and then this is how the back looks like. So when I create a digital collection, I always create some filler paper, background papers, to add throughout the book as well. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. So this opens up like that, and it opens as a gatefold, and on the sides here, these two sections open up like this and like that, so you have a lot of room to expand and put even more secret pictures over here. And then we have two side sections and then the back section. So over here we have the beautiful fairy. I had these leaves on my stash, and these are from Prima, and so I thought it would be really perfect to add on this project. And also I have them all around the door here. And then this page opens down. This was my favorite page here with the beautiful fairy and her fairy door. And then over here we have more woods, magical wood elements. And then this opens up, and then just a beautiful background place for a picture. And then this whole thing closes up, and here we have an expandable sliding system. So just go ahead and pull this, and it opens on 3 different sections here. So place for pictures or journaling, and then each one opens up. So again, you can add pictures there. If you don't want to use your digital collection here, you can just use some solid cardstock and use this as picture space, but that is how this looks like. I love how these turned out here, because you can actually use these for journaling as well. And we're going to close all of those, and all of these slides back in place here. So that was really fun to create, and I love the effect of all the pages kind of expanding on the table. So then this opens up like that. We have a beautiful image. This is another one of my favorites images on this collection. You can add pictures on this side. Then over here we have the elf. Look how cute, the little squirrel, and again with the tree house on the background, the moth here. I just love all the magical woodsy creatures. And then this opens up like this, and I wanted to create some sort of like twin page over here, but also using different images to make it a little bit different. But these two open up, and then we have a double pop-up page right there, and so I'm using some green complementary cardstock there as well, and then just places for pictures over here, and then these open up, and then this opens up like that. So again, I love the layout here. So these are two different sheets, but I just love how they complement each other. They have the same base background, and then just different images here, and then each one of these opens up, so you have more places for pictures. Another one of the fairies right there, this closes, and then same thing over here, opens and opens, and lots of room for pictures on this page. And then this closes up like that, and then we open this up to the other side, and then another one of these beautiful pages. Again, you can use this for journaling on the side, or just put some pictures on the all around the image there. And then this opens, and then here we have a waterfall. So over here you can fit 3 by 4 pictures on this little waterfall there, place for journaling, place for a picture, and then this whole thing closes. And then here at the center we have another one of these beautiful images of the magical forest, and then this opens up like that. So we have this little closure. These closures I had on my stash for a while, so I think this came from Amazon. And then this opens up, and then we have over here a dimensional pocket, and on the inside I just went ahead and put this little notebook and made it kind of into a little journal that you can use to collage, to add more memories, to use as a diary, to write things down, or even add pictures in there. So this little book here came from the dollar store or Dollar Tree, I don't know which one of those, and I just went ahead and covered it up with the collection to make it match here. And then again, just this dimensional pocket, so you can actually fit 2 of these little books in there, but I decided to just leave a little room, because as you add collages or pictures in here, it will expand a little bit. So that goes in the pocket, and that is our Lapbook style album, and I had a lot of fun making this book. I hope you guys enjoy the walkthrough. If you're part of my Patreon, I hope that you enjoy seeing this book come together, because on Patreon I do post each video as I move along the project, so you get a new video probably every day or every other day. But if you purchase the video class, you will get a PDF with all the links to the class here to follow the project from start to finish. And so yeah, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.